I made a simple NPN transistor schematic and I laid it out on the breadboard because this is a common way that this schematic is put together, but I haven't been using it myself. I've been showing a much different way if you've seen my videos, but this is a common way, so I thought I would make a quick video on it. In this case, we have two batteries, and as I said, this is just a simple circuit to show how the transistor works, and I'm going to use the LEDs to show the amount of current. So I'm going to do that right now. I will attach the red lead to the positive, and now if you look at the LEDs, the one on the right got really bright. That's controlled by the 9-volt battery and a 330 ohm resistor, and then the LED on the left is very dim. You can barely see it lighting up, and that's because that's a 3-volt battery through a 15 kilo ohm resistor. So now let's take a look at the circuit and the schematic. As you can see here, here's the emitter for the NPN transistor, and this is a 2N2222 transistor, the most well-known transistor. The emitter comes to the negative of the lithium and also the negative of the 9-volt battery. I had the 9-volt battery powering just this rail, and so we will remove those two. That's fairly easy to understand there. Now for the base of the transistor, we have resistor coming out. This is a 15 kilo ohm, a fairly high value resistor for this circuit, and then an LED. And then here's the red wire that went to the positive side of the battery, so the anode of the LED, the long lead, is up there. I'll take that out, and you can see the longer lead was on top, and then the resistor. So that sent a positive charge, a very small one, to the base, as you can see through here, barely lighting the LED, which then went down to the emitter and then back to the negative side of the lithium battery. And now you can see how the positive side of the battery here, which is the red power rail there when the battery was connected, comes to the LED and the resistor. I have them in backwards order here, but there you can see it goes to the resistor, and then the long lead of the LED, and then the short lead of the LED connects to the collector there. So when we apply the 3-volt lithium battery to give a small positive charge to the base, and then it comes back to the negative side of the lithium battery, the 9-volt battery now can go through the transistor as long as the base has a positive charge, and back to the negative. So some people will show a schematic like this when they show the transistor, and a lot of circuits, if you read up on the circuits of transistors, will have multiple power sources, and they gotta come back to a return path like this. So that's common to see, which is why I made this video. So I hope that helps if you run into that.